everyone. Do you get confused between some geographical terms like ocean and a sea, gulf and a bay, strait and a channel? So let's try to understand these terms with the help of a map. As soon as you go to world map, you can easily spot oceans and some seas like Caribbean Sea, Sargasso Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, etc. So let's start from the oceans. Oceans are large water bodies which touches the multiple continents. Like here you can see this is the Atlantic Ocean and it touches the American continent to its west and the Europe and Africa to its east. The another example of the ocean you can say here this is the Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean of the world and it touches the American continent to its east and the Asia and the Oceania region to its west. Now let's come to the sea. You can see here that seas are the water bodies nearby the land mass area, or you can say that sea is a water body which touches the multiple countries. Oceans are touching the multiple continents and seas are touching the multiple countries. Here in this image, you can easily differentiate between the two. Seas are the nearby landmass area and oceans are the large water bodies between the multiple continents, or you can say between the continents. Here you can see this is the Indian Ocean and to its west you can find this is the African continent. To its in north, sorry, to its west it is Africa, to its north it is the South Asia, or you can say Indian subcontinent, and to its east there is Australia. The largest sea of the world is the South China Sea. This is the location of the South China Sea and it touches the countries like Vietnam, China, Taiwan, Philippines and this Borneo Island. Okay, so I hope you understand the difference between the ocean and the sea. Now let's come to the bay. Bay is a water body which touches the land from its three sides. Okay, like here this is the Bay of Bengal. It is covered by land from three sides and the another fourth side is open to the water. And the next is Gulf. Here you can see this is the Persian Gulf. Gulf is a water body which is enclosed with the land and it is open to a water body from one side. But the main difference between the Gulf and Bay is that Gulf is which is enclosed by water body and its opening to water is a very narrow passage of water. You can say it is open to water with a very narrow passage. Like here you can see this is the Strait of Hormuz. We can Strait of Hormuz, or we can say very narrow opening to the water body or ocean. The Persian Gulf has a very narrow opening to the Arabian Sea. While you can see in the bay, it has a wider opening towards the sea or the ocean. It has a very wider opening towards the water body and it is covered by land from the three sides. Like here you can see this is the Hudson Bay, largest bay of the world, and you can see its location on the world map. It is here in Canada, in the North American continent, and this is the largest bay of the world. If this is the image from the Google Earth. And here you can say this is the Gulf. Here you can say this is the Gulf of California. It is a large water body which is which is enclosed by the landmass, and its opening to the ocean or a water body is very narrow. Here you can see this is the largest Gulf of the world, the Gulf of Mexico. It has a very narrow opening towards the Caribbean Sea. Now let's come to the strait and a channel. Strait is a narrow passage of water which connects the two large water bodies. It is a narrow passage of water which connects the two large water bodies and it is between the two land masses. Okay, and same as the channel. Channel is also the same. It is also a passage of water which connects the two large water bodies and between the two land masses. The difference is that the strait is a very narrow passage of water, and if it is a little wider, somewhat wider, then it is the channel. Okay, here you can see this is the Palk Strait. It is between the Tamil Nadu state of the India and between the Sri Lanka and India, and it connects the Gulf of Mannar region to Bay of Bengal. It is connecting two large water bodies, and it is between the two land masses. Here you can see some important states of the world. Here you can see this is the Strait of Gibraltar connecting Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea, and it is between, you can say, Spain and Morocco, or you can also say between Europe and Africa. And here we have seen the last slide. We had seen that there is a Palk Strait, and here you can easily spot this is somewhat wider passage of water connecting two large water bodies, connecting the Southern Ocean or this Arabian Sea, or you can say Indian Ocean, and it is between the two land masses. It is the Mozambique Channel. Here you can see some examples of channel. This is the English Channel, and it is between the England and the France, and it is connecting the Atlantic Ocean to the North Sea. Okay. The another channel example you can see, there is the North Channel connecting the North Atlantic Ocean to the Irish Sea, and it is between the Northern Ireland and the Scotland. So I hope you understand all these terms. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and thank you for watching this video.